So the things you'll need is yogurt, eggplant, lemon, garlic and tahini. It's very easy to make, you don't need much, so let's get into the video. So for this recipe we are going to cook the eggplant on the stove, but if you want you can also easily make it in the oven, it's totally up to you. While cooking the eggplant you will have to turn it sometimes. And in order to understand if it's ready or not, just take a knife and just push a little bit on it. If it's soft, then it means it's ready. Then we will have to put the eggplant into a bowl and cover it. So by doing this, we will make it easier to peel the eggplant. Just chop the head off, throw it away, and just then take your garlic, roughly chop it. Smash it until you get a paste-like texture. Then take a pan and open the stove on low heat. And the next thing we'll do is add the eggplant to the pan. We're going to cook it for a little while and then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add your garlic in. A bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then we are going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it well until combined. Then it's time for tahini. So add approximately 2 tablespoons and mix it well. Once done, chop a lemon and squeeze a whole lemon into your mixture. Now a little taste test. Now it's time for plating. Take your mixture and add it to a plate. Try to put it evenly. Add a little drizzle of olive oil, a couple nuts, a bit of greenery. I had basil, that's why I chose that. And a little bit of red bell pepper. And ta-da! Here you got your baba ganoush. Now it's time for real tasting. Let's have a look. I like to have it as a dip with a piece of crunchy toast. If you want to have an easy and quick meal and you also want to be a little bit appealing to the eye, just try this recipe and you won't regret it.